Hans-Dieter Hansi Flick is a German professional football coach and former player who most recently was the manager of Bundesliga club Bayern Munich. From August 2006 to July 2014, he was the assistant coach of the Germany national team under manager Joachim Löw. In August 2020, Flick won the UEFA Champions League as the manager of Bayern, completing the club's second continental treble. In 2021, he also led the side to a FIFA Club World Cup and another Bundesliga title. Flick is set to replace Löw as the head coach of the German national team. As a player, he was a midfielder who played 104 matches for Bayern Munich and scored 5 goals between 1985 and 1990, where he won 4 Bundesliga titles as well as 1 DFB Pokal title and played in the 1987 European Cup final. He later played 44 matches for Köln before retiring from professional football in 1993 due to injuries. His last spell as a footballer was with Viktoria Blumenthal from 1994 until 2000. He never played for the Germany national football team, but he made 2 appearances for the Germany under-18 team in the group stage of the 1983 UEFA European Under-18 Championship on 15 and 17 May 1983, in a 1-0 win over Sweden and in a 3-1 win over Bulgaria, respectively. Flick's managerial career began in 1996 as a player-manager of Viktoria Blumenthal, which was playing in the Oberliga Baden-Württemberg at that time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.